All right, we caught up with Mayor Phil Best. Welcome, Mayor. We want to talk to you a little bit about the new industry coming to town.
Yes, sir. We got another good announcement yesterday. A company called Awiba from Germany will be employing 52 folks. They're a tool and die company. So not only will they have the impact of the employees that they have here, but they'll also be able to assist our other industries and maybe help get other industries closer to us that need their services. As always, it was a joint effort. We had the Georgia Economic Development team with Governor Deal and Chris Carr, and then we also had the Georgia Electrical Cities was one of the project managers, and they felt like Dublin was a good fit, so they brought them down here, and we started talking to them. Our development authority, Dublin-Lawrence County Development Authority, talked to them and made the deal work. Well, the 52 jobs obviously will be a big impact. They'll be leasing the old Caterpillar building, which is a 30,000 square foot building, and most recently owned by Wild Boar, Kevin Baggett, who was very instrumental in helping us get them in here. And, when you create 52 jobs and get that several $1 million worth of equipment, that helps us out. This company will be able to do tool and die work for other manufacturers. So they're going to obviously help the ones that we have here, but maybe others will come because of this service being here. It's a great thing, and it is. I know sometimes it sounds cliche, but the team that's in place is just hard to beat. It's a great day in Dublin.